Have you ever wondered what is actually happening inside your muscles when you perform a squat? It looks simple from the outside. You bend your knees, you lower your body, then you stand back up. But underneath the skin, an incredible sequence of events is happening inside your muscles, nerves, joints, and bones. The moment you begin descending into a squat, your brain sends electrical signals through your nervous system toward your muscles. Your quadriceps begin controlling the movement. Your glutes become heavily involved. Your hamstrings help stabilize the knee and hip, and your core muscles activate to keep your torso stable. But here's something most people never think about. Your muscles don't simply switch on and off. They constantly adjust the amount of force they produce to control your body. As you descend, your muscles are working while they lengthen. This is called an eccentric contraction. Your body is essentially putting the brakes on your descent. Without this controlled muscle activity, you wouldn't be able to smoothly lower yourself. You would simply collapse downward. Then you reach the bottom of the squat, and this is where the challenge becomes even greater. Your muscles must now generate enough force to reverse the direction of movement and push your body upward. Your glutes and quadriceps produce powerful contractions. Your feet push against the ground, and the ground pushes back against your body. This interaction between your muscles, bones, joints, and the ground allows you to stand back up. But there's something even more fascinating happening inside the muscle fibers. When you squat under resistance, your muscles experience mechanical tension. This tension is one of the most important signals involved in muscle growth. Your muscle fibers contain tiny structures called sarcomeres. These structures are responsible for producing force. Inside them are proteins called actin and myosin. When your nervous system tells the muscle to contract, these proteins interact with each other, generating force and shortening the muscle fiber. And the harder the exercise becomes, the more muscle fibers your body may need to recruit to produce the required force. This is why the final repetitions of a challenging set can feel completely different from the first few. Your body is working harder to maintain the same movement. Your muscles are becoming fatigued. Your nervous system is recruiting additional motor units, and your ability to produce force gradually decreases. But here's the important part. Muscle growth isn't simply about feeling a burn. It's about creating an effective training stimulus and then giving your body the resources it needs to adapt. After the workout, your body begins repairing and remodeling the muscle tissue. With consistent training, adequate nutrition, and proper recovery, your muscles can become stronger and larger over time. And this is why technique matters. A squat isn't simply about moving your body up and down. Your foot position, stance, depth, balance, joint movement, and ability to control the load can all influence how the exercise feels and which muscles contribute to the movement. There's no single squat technique that looks exactly the same for every person. Your anatomy is unique. Your limb lengths are different, your mobility is different, and your training experience is different. The goal isn't to copy someone else's squat perfectly. The goal is to develop a controlled, safe, and effective movement that matches your body and your goals. So the next time you perform a squat, don't just think about moving the weight. Think about what's happening underneath the surface. Your brain is sending signals. Your nerves are activating muscles. Your muscles are producing force. Your joints are moving, your bones are transferring that force, and your body is adapting to the challenge. One simple squat is actually an incredibly complex biological process, and when you repeat that process consistently over weeks, months, and years, your body changes. That's the science behind the squat. Understand your body, train smarter, build better. This is Muscle Code.